Danny's already giving me a floaty.
Who cares? You can have a fucking 5 floaties.
I can give you condom lens.
No, what the fuck? I don't need that.
Never mind, that'd be weird. It's recording.
I don't like cameras.
Hello. Oh my
I
god.
don't give you tampon.
Ew. That's so gross.
Maybe can use this bag.
Nasty.
TMI.
Hi.
But yeah.
So it's after school and Giselle treated me the yummies. But she ate it all, look.
There's that.
So yeah.
Danny's not here.
Danny's not here. Erica's not here. And they got me balloons for my birthday. Look at it, isn't it cute?
You don't even vlog anymore.
Cause number yeah. Wait, I'm trying to get it. I like this one.
Cause it's smiley.
Like it's a cupcake and it's smiling. And then Jaden got me brownies and Giselle got me M&Ms, but she didn't get the right one that I wanted. It's so funny. And then I got a frap this morning too, but we drank it. It was sweet. Jaden got it for me.
It was too.
Thank you, Jaden. You're not gonna watch this, but yeah. Oh my god, wait, I'm trying to get the Polaroid.
And people tell
Look, I took a Polaroid today.
and it's so colorful, blue. Let it go.
It's not focusing.
Let it go. I'm
Oh,
done
you
with
know,
this.
focus. Focus.
We should get like this. Fantastic.
Okay, it's not gonna focus, but you know, not the Polaroid picture. Ah. My phone's gonna die. Hi. Twitter. Dang, I'm full already. Oh, you can't see it.
Do you eat everything?
No.
What then? Just the one inside?
Oh, yeah, you eat the one inside, the thing inside. Look.
Ew, I don't like this. Who eats this?
Beavis.
I like trying. Ew.
It's so blurry. Sorry, my camera's not focusing.
Oh, it tastes like peanut. So like, you wanna join our group? Fantastic.
Oh my god. SMH. Tell him no, he's not invited.
Can't. You're not gay.
So dumb.
Unless
I love the color. It's two of my favorite colors. I'm gonna go. I had a test today for calculus. It. Oh my god, I hate it so much. Okay, bye. I'm home. I'll never know if I'm in frame. But look! Ricky released his song! My voice is so bad. Oh. scholarship. Ah! Dear parents, let me go! Oh, but yeah, I got balloons, little balloons, and brownies from Jaden. Whoops, open. And that. And just kidding, I already had that. And I don't know. For dinner, we are going to eat mussels with what's gonna be baked mussels. Cause that's my mom to cook me that. And then she's going to cook bacon and mushrooms. Look, bacon, 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 mushrooms. What else? This is an episode of What's in Our Fridge. So, we have some grated cheese, some pizza that I did not eat for dinner yesterday. I don't know what this is. Zippy's chili, Popeyes, leftovers, eggs, puto, fish, Heineken, beer, milk. Oh, we have pickled, what the heck, we have pickled mango? Since when did we have pickled mango?
Long time already.
Nigga, what? And then here we have something others. And then in this, we have other frozen foods. We have tortillas. We have wontons that I did not eat. Strawberries frozen. More pizzas. Oh, we have Magnum. Ice cream, not the condom. Magnum ice cream.
Magnum's a condom.
I don't know. I always thought it was a condom. Isn't it a condom brand? My Milky Way. The best. This is the best crap ever. There's no bad lighting. There's like bad lighting here. Salmon. Oh, fudge balls. Oh, they don't have light in the freezer. Chicken bake and stuff. Yeah, stuff. It's like literally giving you a house tour. Hello and welcome to April's house tour. No. This is our dark hallway that everyone doesn't like. But look, it's a mirror. Oh, it's dark. Yep, it's very dark. It's dark.
It's dark or you're dark?
Shut up. Here's my room. Yeah. 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 My computer. My calculus book and midterm book. My very, very messy closet. And the centerpieces we took from, yeah. And all these layers, look. I need to like, yeah. Yeah. I apologize for the darkness right now. I'm walking in the hallway. This whole video is dark. This is such a fail. If this whole thing is dark.
Oh my god, they wrote this song? Or is this just a cover?